What's up? How you guys doing? So I picked up my 3500 brushless, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do a motor mod. Let's get the old Titan out and let's put the new motor in. First things first, let's get the rest of this crap off. Okay. You guys are gonna have to excuse the rusty bolts just because this is a brand new car, but unfortunately I live in Canada and I was driving it outside, and of course there's salt even in the parking lot nearby. Okay, there we go. There's the motor. That's out. Now the speed control, ESC as they call it. I'd open up the receiver. Out with the old and in with the new. A new pinion. Let's take this cover off. Yeah. So guys, remember to actually take off the engine mount off the old Titan motor and put it and use it for your new motor. Alright guys, so I finally put the new pinion in. Let's see how big it is compared to the old one. Look at that. Big difference, more torque. So let's mount this back in. Come on, baby. Okay. Cut you where I want you. Double check the top screw. Cover. Let's put the cover back on. Remember we took this off earlier? So I believe we'll get this. Okay. Now we do the speed control. There's only 2 bolts that came in with the kit. So you just use your Allen key. Melt it back in where the old speed control was, and that's it. Let's plug it in. Feed the wire through here. Move your antenna. find a slot. Okay. And then we're going to plug it together to the motor, speed control. There we go. They're color coded: white, yellow, and blue. See? Done. Look at how easy that was. Okay guys, so now it's all plugged up inside the receiver. Speed control is all plugged up, and now we just need to put the bolts back in. There we go. There we go. There's the other bolts. Alright. There we go. In she goes. In she goes. Okay. There you have it. There is your brand new Brushless Stampede VXL-3s brushless. All installed. All the wires been tucked and cleaned up. Even fixed up my antenna finally. Yeah. Can't wait to actually do a video to let you guys see what the field test looks like, because I have not used a brushless motor yet before, so this should be interesting. Alright guys, that's it for me. See you guys.
I own this shit all week. This beats for all my freaks. We're running on no sleep. So lining shots up because this party's jumping. We turn the volume up and don't stop till we get enough. Get enough.